How to translate voice message in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert voice to text on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch WhatsApp in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and here tap on settings. Once you land on settings page, scroll down a bit and then tap on chats. Under chat settings, you'll have an option as voice message transcripts. You have to tap on it. After that, you have to select the language. Tap on the language and from here select the language. Once you have selected your preferred language, now you can go back. After that, hit back to your chat piece. So open up the chat where you have the voice message. Then tap and hold on the voice message. Then tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and here tap on transcribe. And wait for a while until it transcribes your voice message. And there you go, now the voice is converted into the text. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.